We have all failed over and over in our lives, and at some point, we give up on chasing our dreams. After every failure, we think that we are not lucky enough, especially when we see others become successful. What if I say the reason for failure is never about not having luck? It's because you didn't try the correct way of achieving goals. If you follow this correct way of achieving goals once, you will never say that you are unlucky. Today, I'm going to reveal the simplest way to achieve anything, inspired by timeless Buddhist wisdom. Trust me, this is something you don't want to miss, and by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to achieve anything. Imagine having a tool that can help you achieve any goal, no matter how big or small. What if I told you that this tool has been around for over 2,500 years? Yes, I'm talking about a principle from Buddhism that can transform your life. Right effort. So, what exactly is right effort? Right effort is one of the steps in the Noble Eightfold Path in Buddhism. It's about putting your energy into positive actions and thoughts while avoiding negative ones. Think of it as using your energy wisely. Instead of wasting it on things that don't help you, you focus it on things that make you better and happier. Now, let's break down right effort into 3 simple steps you can start practicing today. Step 1. Cultivate positive thoughts and actions. Begin by being mindful of your thoughts and actions. Whenever you catch yourself engaging in negative thinking or unproductive habits, gently steer yourself back to positive ones. This might be as simple as replacing a negative thought with a positive affirmation or choosing to take a small step towards your goal. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I can't do this," change it to, "I can try and learn." Step 2. Set small, manageable goals. Instead of overwhelming yourself with big, daunting tasks, break them down into smaller, achievable steps. This makes it easier to stay motivated and maintain a sense of progress. Celebrate each small victory along the way, as these small wins build momentum and keep you moving forward. If you want to read a book, start with just 1 page a day. Small steps are easier and lead to big results. Step 3. Consistent practice. Consistency is more important than intensity. Make a commitment to practice right effort daily. Even if you can only dedicate a few minutes each day, the key is to be consistent. Over time, these small, consistent efforts accumulate and lead to significant progress. Like brushing your teeth every day, small actions done regularly make a big difference. Why should you practice right effort? Because it helps you build a strong foundation for success. By continuously focusing on positive actions and thoughts, you create a positive feedback loop. This not only helps you achieve your goals, but also brings inner peace and fulfillment. It's like planting a garden. With care and time, it will grow beautifully. Now, here's the key takeaway. The simplest way to achieve anything is through the consistent practice of right effort. By aligning your energy with positive actions and thoughts, you create a powerful momentum that can carry you towards any goal. Before ending this video, I would love to hear your opinion and feedback in the comment section. So don't forget to leave a comment. And here's a secret tip. Each morning, take a moment to set a positive intention for your day. This small practice can make a huge difference in how you approach your goals. Thank you for watching. I believe you are already on your way to achieving great things with a calm and peaceful mind. See you in the next video.